Stay 20 in lockdown. So.
I think we've had more than 2 weeks of lockdown now.
No, act natural. Good.
Act natural. It's one of the many days of lockdown. And we've decided to start growing our own vegetables, which I have never done before. So it's really kind of trial and error at this point. The only thing that looks very happy are the radishes. We're making some new beds now, Joshua and I, and we're going to put some compost from the compost heap behind me on it, because last time we didn't do that and I think that was a mistake. So we're going to do that and hopefully it will work better. Hey Joshua. So we put up a couple of little wire fences around the vegetable patches because the dog was getting pretty keen on assisting with the gardening, which was bad news for the tiny little baby radishes that were growing. I might also put out a video at some point about our recent trip to Japan, because that happened just before the whole global pandemic thing, and it was actually a really fun trip. I have one video on my channel about hiking the Kumano Kodo in Japan, and that was during that trip, but we did a lot of other stuff as well. Otherwise, if you'd like to see what sort of video I come up with next, then please subscribe to the channel.